Vechain at the time of this recording continues to see higher prices, and on today's update video I will be discussing reasons why we can easily get back above the 0.04 mark in the next coming hours, and above all discuss the key areas of resistances that we need to see a break above on the short term. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the daily chart, from the lows we made on the 7th of April, we saw these impulsive bounce over here in a move that gave us a high above the 0.034 mark, completing the formation of these impulsive edge wave count 1. And the moment we picked in the formation of that first wave, we started a bit of a pullback in the formation of these wave 2, whose minimum target areas were given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1. And the minimum target area for the second wave was between the Fib level 0.5 and the 7.8, an area that we fully maximized, even though we saw fetch AI, that is Vechain, overshooting the Fib level 0.78, though we continued to hold above the Fib level 0.88, which is the last line of support on the Fibonacci's. And you can now see that we are now seeing a very nice reaction over here in what can easily turn out to be the formation of these wave 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the Fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of that first wave, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the low of the wave 2. And on so doing, the area that I am paying attention to as my next target area to the upside lies on the Fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 0.0445 as my next impulsive target area. And the moment that target area is hit, then we should expect a bit of a pullback in the formation of this wave 4 before we can continue pushing even higher in the formation of that wave 5 to the upper side. And for us to get enough confirmation that the wave 3 is getting started, we need to also see a break above the swing highs we made above the 0.03156 in the next coming hours, and also the high we made in the formation of that first wave above the 0.03412. The moment we manage to break above those highs, then I will be expecting even higher prices here on the Vechain chart. Jumping to the 4-hour chart to discuss the key areas of resistances that we need to see a break above on the short term. Here on the 4-hour chart, from the highs we made above the 0.034, I was observing a 5-wave structure to the downside, which was completed, giving us a low below the 0.01825. And having seen a 5-wave structure to the downside, I was expecting a 3-wave bounce, basing my analysis on the edge wave structures, and I believe that that could be a scenario that is playing out over here, having these as the wave A, a pullback in a wave B, and these could easily turn out to be the formation of a wave C. And in this bounce over here, using the Fibonacci's, we can get an area of interest within which that ABC corrective structure should get us into. And the area is between the Fib level 0.382 and the 7.8, which is between the 0.03059 and the 0.02422, which is the yellow target area over here. And within this yellow target area, we should expect resistance. So if by any chance we get rejected within this yellow target area, that will be a clear indication that this bounce was only an ABC corrective structure, and we can easily get another pullback, maybe to the golden pocket, before we can find support and then attempt another bounce back. And if by any chance we lose support on the golden pocket, then I will be expecting further breakdown moves to give us a reset of the lows we made on the 22nd of June. But if by any chance we continue seeing that bullish momentum and we also break out of the yellow target area to the upper side, that will be a clear indication that this is not a 3-wave structure to the upside, and that will be a clear indication that a more bullish case scenario is now unfolding, which will also be in favor of what I am expecting here on the daily chart, where I expect the formation of these wave 3 which can easily get us back above the 0.04437 mark in the next coming days. So this key area over here between which is between the 0.03067 and the 0.02426 is a key area that we need to pay attention to, because it's going to dictate which move is going to play out next here on the Vechain chart. And let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.